My desk is such a mess right now, but that's not the point of this video. This is going to be a very quick video and a very stupid video. As you see, I'm very far away. I don't know why, but first of all, safety first. Second of all, this is a really bad idea. Don't do this. Just don't do this. Okay. It was a bad idea. It's not broken. It's not broken yet. I got this. I'm stronger than this. I might not be stronger than this. Come on. Just like, oh, nope, that's the sharp part. Come on. No, I got two legs. Punch it. That was a bad. That was the bad idea. You know what? I'm gonna call that a success, because that's curved. Okay, so my knuckles are good. That is definitive. Wow. Let's see if I can get this here. This right here. That is definitive proof. Can you even see that? Definitive proof right there that you should not put your knee through a motherboard. I hope you like this video. I am so out of ideas. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.